What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It is a little bit cold out here today, but we're starting off early. Not really, it's like 10 already, but oh well. So what we got here is our parts OBS. We're gonna go scrap it, so that is kind of how I'm gonna start off today. And well, hopefully hopefully it warms up, because it is like 20 out here today, but it is what it is. Yeah, we're gonna go take this one to get scrapped, and well, we're gonna get started with the black truck. We're either gonna swap the bed, or I'm gonna install the drop hangers and drop shackles on it. So yeah, guys, let's take this thing to get scrapped, and well, let's see how much we get. And there we go, guys, another OBS got its wings. All right, guys, so OBS is gone. Starting off the day good. Right now I got somebody coming to pick up some stuff, so I'm not gonna get started on the drop just yet. So what I'm gonna do right now is load up a little bit more metal I have, and hopefully I can take another load by the end of the day, or within the next few hours. It's still like 10:30, about to be 11 actually, but yeah. So gonna work through the cold. It's actually not that cold anymore. The wind stopped blowing, so that is good. So guys, I gotta pick up my little scrap pile and put it on the trailer. So yeah, I'm not gonna record any of this. I'm gonna just get it all done. So yeah, guys, let me do this. All right, guys, so got all that situated. Now, well, let's begin with this thing. I really don't know how to go about it. So what I'm gonna do is well, let me show you. Hold on. All right, so the bed is unbolted. It's actually loose. So what I'm thinking of doing is raising up each side, and then well, hopefully I can get to the drop hangers. Well, not to the drop hangers, to the hangers themselves. That way I can get to the rivets right there. Hopefully, come on, those right there and right there. So yeah, I'm gonna try to lift this thing up, and I might put like a piece of wood or something in between here, that way I can work. But yeah, that's, I don't know how it's gonna go, but it's gonna go. So wish me luck, guys. All right, so this is the contraption I have set up, and as you can see, I have lifted the bed up. Please don't do this at home. I have blocks there, I have a jack right there, I have one jack right here and another jack over there, and just in case, I have tires under the truck. So if anything should happen, which hopefully it won't, I should be okay. I'm not gonna be under there all the way either way. So don't be an idiot like me and do jack stands and whatnot. Have it done right. It's just that I'm on dirt and I don't have jack stands, so I have jacks. But you know, be careful however you do this. So now that everything is all up here, I'm gonna start by loosening up the bolts and nuts right here on the leaf springs. Hopefully it's not too much of a hassle. I think I can go under on this one, and I need to brush all that dirt off from playing around. But yeah, let me go ahead and get the wrenches and sockets that I'm gonna need, and I'm also gonna clean this up a little bit. So yeah guys, alrighty guys, so here we go. This nut right here is a 13/16 nut hand bolt, same as over here and up there. So I got my little trusty impact, and I got my jack on it right there. So the come on, this is gonna go through the inside because I tried to get a wrench in there and it just wouldn't fit. Well, it wouldn't not fit, it's just that there's a lip like this right here, and the wrench actually actually will fit if I put it up here like so. So hopefully I saw that. My phone moved, but I don't feel like that, so I think that's what I'm gonna do instead, or whatever works. So yeah guys, let me, I don't know if I'm gonna put you down somewhere or time lapse, but yeah, let's get this thing going. All right guys, now that we got that out the way, all the shackle and the front hangers, or the leaf spring is off the hanger, so should be ready to go. Right now what I'm gonna do is actually go check and see if my sister is off work, because I will be making a lot of noise. So yeah, we can get to air hammering this out. All right guys, so we got the green light. I've been at it for a good hour just trying to take those two off. I'm pretty sure it's not this, it's just the airline is way too long, and yeah, I've been struggling a little bit. Got some of it off. I'm almost there. I got that one. That's started cutting on some grinder, but yeah. So this thing keeps getting too cold, I guess, the air. So I'm gonna get this shackle off, and I'm gonna put the drop shackle in there, and yeah, gotta let this thing warm up, and so I can keep going. But yeah, I'm gonna put y'all, I don't know if I'm gonna put y'all on a time lapse or not, but that's what I'm gonna do. All right guys, and that shackle is on, and as you can see, I didn't go all the way. I don't want it to go that low, but yeah, that was the easiest thing I've done right now. So been letting it sit. It's still kind of cold, but I'm gonna just keep going, guys. Probably this side I'll just do it with the grinder and get it done a little easier, well, a little faster. But yeah guys, I'm gonna try to get these knocked out so I can move on to these. All right guys, man, this was a pain in the butt. Now this thing gets cold with the air and it stops hammering as good as it does when it's warm. So it took me a very long time to figure that out, but there we are. It's kind of sort of bolted. I still gotta fix that bolt right there because it's sideways, and I'm pretty sure there's a bracket behind that's making it do that. So I will figure that out tomorrow, probably. I don't know. Right now, I'm getting everything back on. It is very, very cold. I cannot feel my hands. I'm all ashy. And I broke the camera lens on my phone. So, yeah, that's not good. But we're getting closer, guys. I'm about to start bolting down everything. It did take me a little longer than I thought, but hopefully it is all worth it by the end. So, little update. It's already dark. And again, it's very cold. I'm gonna keep going, guys. I'm almost done anyway. So, well, at least with this side. I still gotta do the other side. Alright guys, back at it again. As you can see, it's the next day, and I already started doing the rivets on the other side, on the passenger side actually. And let me tell you guys, it was not easy. Well, it was a little faster than that side because I mean I had already done the other side, but yeah, it was still kind of difficult. So what I learned from doing the other side is do not tighten anything down. When you put the hanger on, just thread the nuts on and leave it, because it gets hard. So let me show you. Okay guys, so this is what I'm talking about right here. When you put your hanger on, as you can see, these are already the bolts are already in the holes, but this one, don't tighten anything down, because you're gonna have to move the hanger around to make this fit, because I mean they are made in China, so sometimes the holes don't line up. So yeah, that's a little bit of a pain in the butt, but you know, gotta deal with it. So now that this thing is on, we're gonna tighten down the bolts, and hopefully everything goes good. And we still have to install our grease fittings. So look at the coyote. Look at that. Show off. But yeah guys, let's continue and get this thing done. Well boys and girls, there it is. It should be ready to go. I still need to add some grease on the shackles and change the bed, but I gotta fix the one that's over there first. And then if you made it this far and you lowered one of these, I want 2 inches from the front, but I don't want to do the dream beams. So if you did Explorer springs, let me know how it rides, because I'll probably end up going that way because it's cheaper, and I'm broke. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this one. Probably on the next couple videos we'll get to doing fiberglass on the white bed and then swapping it over to this one. That way I can get this thing one color. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this one. Again, remember, like and subscribe, follow me on Instagram, comment down below what we should do, and if you see my white OBS, let me know. So catch you on the next one. Peace.